I'm not pointing the camera.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
No, I'm just holding it up.
She's just holding it.
Yay!
Is there a way to get expected?
Oh, you do that again.
Okay.
Yay!
You do that again.
Okay.
Until you're tired of the
Until I'm tired, okay. Probably until I leave.
Oh, you do that again.
Yay! You almost missed it.
Yeah, you almost missed it.
No?
Oh, you do that again.
Okay.
Oh.
I'm gonna raise that seat.
Yeah. Okay, you're gonna sit in the audience?
Yeah.
Okay.
Me too.
Oh, okay.
Not yet. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't wait for
Oh, are you gonna need a chair too?
Yeah, apparently. Okay.
He is. Yep. You need help? Okay. Are you gonna fall and break your coconut? There we go. Okay, let's all sit and see if she'll do it again. Okay.
Okay.
Again.
When we clap our hands, that means again.
Okay.
You training her to respond to clapping?
How Pavlovian.
Yay!
This is comical. They were looking. It was so terrible.
Oh, Mommy can't do that.
Oh my god. Okay.
Again.
This is better than picking up a chip. Oh,
You missed it, Jakey?
I think.
Where's the applause? It's old. We're used to it. It's not impressive anymore.
it's old hat.
Yeah.
Again.
Oh.
When we clap, it means more.
Right, because then we don't have to bother with saying more. We can just clap and make her blow bubbles.
Yeah. I'm trained in nonverbal commands.
Okay. Maybe we should give her a break. I think she's blown enough bubbles for our amusement.
Again.
How about thank you?
Yeah.
How about thank you?
No?
No.
You say thank you, Jakey? Thank you. Say thank you. Okay.